Hey friends, if you are experiencing a high memory, CPU, and RAM usage on your Windows 11, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So let's go quick into the process so that this issue will be fixed. First is you need to press the Windows key and R button together and the run window will appear. Type here TEMP, hit on enter. Then click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard and then press Shift and Delete keys on your keyboard too. So once you press the Shift and Delete keys, then it will ask you to permanently delete these files. Just click on yes. So you can also just make hit this delete bin at the top and then do this for all the current items and then just click on skip. Now once done, not all of these folders will be deleted and that's okay. Next method is we need to search for services in the Windows search bar. Click on this. Then you need to look for a service named sysmain. So scroll down to letter S as these are arranged in alphabetical order. Now this could be Superfetch. So sysmain. So if you find both the Superfetch and the sysmain, then just simply make a right click, select properties, startup type, change this to disabled, and then click on stop, apply, and then OK, and then close this. The next method is we need to right click at the taskbar, select task manager, maximize this. On the left pane, click on startup apps. Now you need to disable unnecessary startup apps. So first, just make sure the status is from enabled to disabled. So you need to disable unnecessary startup applications running in your background. So how can you do that? If you find that, so this is unnecessary and I just want to disable this, select disable. Now you need to do this for all the applications which are unnecessary. I mean startup applications which are unnecessary. Once done, close this. Then what we'll have to do is we need to also close applications which are running in the background. So just open the task manager again. Then here you'll find the applications running in the background. So if you do not need this application, then just simply make a right click on that. For example, this write client, just make a right click and then select end task. Once done, then just simply close this. The next method is we need to search for this sysdm.cpl. Best match, click on that. Then here you have computer name, hardware, advanced system protection, and remote tab. Click on the advanced. Then performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Click on settings. Then choose this adjust for best performance. And then click on apply. And then OK. Once done, click on OK. Next method is we need to search for power options. Edit power plan, this one. Now click on this power options. If you have high performance or ultra high performance, then you need to click on that. Also, if you cannot find this, like you only have the balance, then you need to click on show advanced power options. Then just simply click on the high performance. Then once done, close this. Then we need to search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on this. Click on the C drive, which is chosen by default. Click on OK. Then here, you need to check all of these boxes. Once done, click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. Under this cleanup utilities, cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine, then you just have to wait for that. So once this is done, then you just have to make a restart of your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your computer. And then right after you have restarted your computer, then you will see the difference. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.